Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles and notifications, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of notifications and look for the screen recorder. Now for me it looks like it's, there we go, right over here. So once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It will let you record either a single application or entire screen, and then you can also choose to record audio, devices, microphone, or both, and show touches on the screen. I'll enable this just so you can see how that looks like. You can select start recording, begins a 3-second countdown, and then starts recording. So now whatever you will do will be recorded by the phone. Also, if you open up some kind of applications, they will for the most part be recorded as well, as long as they are not protected. That's probably the best way I can describe this. I'll go into that in a moment a little bit more in depth. But anyway, once you're done recording, swipe down again from the top and here select stop. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application. There we go. And in here we can navigate to collections. Let's go to video. Is it this? No, not this one. Now I might not be able to find it because again, someone is messing up with the videos or like the just where things get saved. I have no clue what they're doing, to be completely honest. By default, you should find your screen recordings in here or under maybe screenshots, but it's nowhere in any of them, not even recent. The photo that I taken is here, but the video screen recording that I've taken, which should be above it, is not. Beats me where it's being saved, to be completely honest. Possibly, wait, let's see the date, but that shouldn't really matter. We have 31st March. Should be right there. So yeah, I have no clue where it is. By default, you would find it either under recent, under photos right here, or under collections, under videos, possibly screen recordings as well. Can't really show it, unfortunately, because someone can't really put the settings back to what they were. But in any case, one thing that I wanted to point out is sometimes you might find out that when you did your screen recording, and you can find it, which by default you should be able to with no problem, you might see a straight up black screen for recording. That will be a result of you trying to record an application that has some kind of BS protection that prevents you from basically recording it. Now this option is part of like Android security, designed to kind of protect the privacy and security of the user from, for instance, some spyware applications that would try to see, for instance, you typing in your PIN to your bank application. You might imagine how that would be not a good thing for you. But for the most part, it's being used by BS applications like Spotify, Netflix, and basically most streaming applications that try to prevent piracy. But let's be honest, if you're pirating content by recording a screen, you're doing it incorrectly. Either just download the revents and go through that, or use something like CloudStream for shows. You can thank me later for that one. But I find it very ironic that, for instance, Spotify, which literally became an application because it decided to pirate the entire music industry, is now blocking you being able to pirate it. The hypocrisy here knows no bounds. So, what you will end up in those circumstances is just straight black screen, and for most phones, I believe including this one, you won't have any kind of information that your screen recording is being kind of blocked. So once you're done, you will probably realize it back then. So if you're trying to record some application that you don't know if it's going to be blocking you or not, I recommend just getting like a quick video recording, screen recording, to check it out and just play it back to see if it's not blocking it. If right at the opening of the application you can see anything on there that would usually be visible, then it means that it's not blocking. But if the application blocks you right off the bat, even when you're like on the logins page, you will be introduced by a straight black screen for recording. So in any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.